Hey everybody, welcome back to Run and Gun, and I have an awesome little update for you. I just hit 1,000 subscribers, and that is so awesome. It's been just over a year since I've started the channel, and I've had so much support, and I appreciate it so much. So, you know what that means. I have a promise to keep, and that is to give away some Studio Strobe lights. So I have them here packed up. I just have to know who to send them to. So tomorrow morning, let's say 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, Central Time, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I am going to pull a name, and if you followed the rules, if you subscribed, and if you left a comment on one of my videos, you are entered to win. So you have until midnight tonight to do that for my live video tomorrow. I'm doing this drawing live. So also to celebrate, I just bought myself a little gift, so let's check out and see what that is. Check out this box. So tonight at midnight, that is the cutoff date, so I'm going to be writing names down for those who have subscribed and have left a comment on one of my videos. Your name goes in the box, and I pull a name out tomorrow live in a live drawing. So subscribe and leave a comment to get your name in the box, and I'm giving away that studio tomorrow, so stay tuned. I am going to still have a video next weekend. It is going to be, let's see, it's going to be photo logo related. So stay tuned next weekend, and make sure until tomorrow you get out and you go shoot.